Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As you all can already make out what today's video is about, if you're packing lunch daily for your kids, I can understand how stressful it can get at times. So today, I'm sharing few recipes using only bread. Two of them includes little bit of cooking, but rest are very basic which most people already know. But still, I'm sharing as it can give you some ideas which can be helpful while packing lunch. First one is grilled paneer sandwich. For this, you need pepper, onion and paneer. If you can't find paneer, you can also use grilling cheese. Chop pepper and onion into small pieces. I've used half of each. Add them to a bowl. This is homemade mint and coriander chutney, also known as green chutney. I already have this recipe on my channel. I shared the tips to store it for a long time without using any preservatives, so you can use it whenever you require. I'll leave the link in description below for those who are interested. Add 2 teaspoons of green chutney. Add 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Instead of regular mayonnaise, you can also substitute it with vegan mayonnaise. Mix well until everything is well combined. I'm taking half of the paneer block here and cutting them into slices. Take 2 bread slices. I prefer to use white bread for this recipe. Add little mayonnaise and green chutney on each slice. Spread it evenly and add marinated onion and peppers on one slice. Add paneer slices. I'm going to add 2 slices. If you like slightly stronger chutney flavor, then you can also add little more green chutney on these paneer slices. Cover with other bread slice and then apply butter on top. Heat a grill pan on medium flame. Place the butter side down on the pan and toast until it gets nice grill marks. Apply butter on other side and flip and toast until it turns nice and crispy. So that's it guys, the grilled paneer sandwich is all ready. It's that easy to make this sandwich. Now let me show you how I pack my daughter's lunchbox. I usually pack one of 5-a-day fruit and vegetable along with dessert and a drink. So today it's paneer grilled sandwich with cucumber slices, lemon cake for dessert, banana and water for drink. This grilled paneer sandwich is perfect for any time of the day. So for myself, I'm having it with some French fries along with some pepperonis on its side. The second recipe is bread pizza in an instant way without using any oven. For this, you need choice of your bread, but make sure you don't use any seeded ones. Choice of your toppings. Here I have taken diced tomato, peppers, onion, sliced olives and corn. You can also use cooked shredded chicken, ham or pepperoni for meat. Next, this is homemade instant pizza sauce. Recently I have uploaded a video on how to make this sauce. If you're interested, you can check the link from description below. Or you can also use store-bought pizza sauce. Take generous amount of pizza sauce and apply evenly on bread slice. Next, this is optional. Add little bit of grated cheddar cheese. Spread evenly and add all the toppings one by one. Once the toppings are arranged, add grated mozzarella cheese. Finally, this is how it looks. If you prefer more spice, you can add jalapenos and crushed chili flakes after adding mozzarella cheese. Here, I have taken brown bread slice. I've added the same sauce toppings, added little extra jalapenos and also red chili flakes after adding mozzarella cheese. Keep in mind, this is not for kids, but only for adults who prefer spice. Now, let me show you how to cook this without using any oven. Heat a flat pan on low flame. Once the pan is hot, add a drop of oil and spread evenly. Place the bread slice on pan and cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the cheese on top melts. After 5 minutes, you can see here the cheese is completely melted. The bread pizza is all ready. Pizza is all-time favorite for kids, and try this recipe. I'm sure they will look forward for their lunch. Here is her lunch box: instant bread pizza along with some lettuce, chocolate bear cake, apple and fruit shoot for drink. Now let me show you some of the basic recipes, like how I pack them. These are very handy for those busy mornings when there is no time to cook. First one is cheese sandwich. It is super easy to make this sandwich. For this, all you need is 2 bread slices. Apply the butter on both the sides. Then take cheese of your choice. Here I am using cheddar cheese. Use a micro grater and grate the cheese. After finish grating, spread the cheese evenly on slice and cover with other bread slice. Cut the slices in half and cheese sandwich is all ready. It's that simple to make it. This is how the packed lunch looks like. Cheese sandwich with cucumber sticks. For dessert, we have this Little Hearts biscuits, yogurt, banana and water for drink. Another alternative way to make this is, instead of using bread slices, you can use buns or the dinner rolls. Here I applied butter on both the sides, and in place of grated cheese, I have added a cheese slice. The bun and cheese is packed along with some diced cucumber pieces, strawberry cake, cheese stick and yogurt saki along with some water for drink. Next one is basic jam sandwich or jam butter sandwich. I always prefer to add butter and jam as it tastes very well. So I have applied butter on one slice and jam on other slice. You can use choice of your jam. Here I am using strawberry jam. Combine both the slices and cut them in half. That's it guys, the jam butter sandwich is all ready. The lunchbox consists of jam sandwich along with some steamed carrots, almond slice and cheese stick. The next one is a super easy one. It's just an almond butter sandwich. I just applied homemade almond butter between slices. As you can see, the packed lunch consists of sandwich, diced cucumber. Cucumbers are my daughter's favorite, so mostly she'll be having cucumbers, along with chocolate slice, yogurt and water for drink. Please check food and nut allergies, as different schools have different guidelines. So pack lunch according to your kids' school guidelines. And for homemade almond butter recipe, you can check the description below. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you like it. I know I shared few very basic recipes. Hopefully it's helpful for beginners or for those who are looking for options to pack lunch in a different way. Do try these recipes and let me know how you or your kids like them through comment section below or on my Instagram. I already have few quick sandwich recipes on my channel. I'll leave the links in description, so please don't forget to check the description below for more information. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye.